This is NuNu and T-Man's adventure to Key West. This is our first stop going to Key West, and we're at Mrs. Mac's kitchen. We're not gonna eat right now, but we're gonna eat on the way back. But I wanted to stop because I seen this shark with somebody's leg in here. I don't know whose leg it is, but it feels like it's mine, because mine is killing me right here. My leg is killing, but that's somebody's leg up there. Our first stop, number 1. NuNu and T-Man on the prowl. All right, so we're at stop number 2, and we're here at Betsy the Lobster. This is 30 feet high. This is one of the things I wanted to see as we were coming down to Key West. This is, shoot. Okay, I thought the lobster had jumped. This is stop number 2. We in Islamorada, Florida, part of the Key West. This is stop number 3. We are at the Hurricane Memorial, dedicated to those war veterans who lost their lives in the hurricane of September 2nd, 1935. That is awesome detail, how they have the palm trees swaying to the right. Like this nice limestone. This is the Hurricane Memorial. Florida Keys Memorial, known as the Hurricane Monument, was built to honor hundreds of American hurricanes on Labor Day, September 2nd, 1935. Islamorada sustained winds of 200 miles per hour and a barometric reader of 26.35 inches. This is crazy. Approximately 300 people were killed during this storm, but that is crazy. The Hurricane Monument. I'm glad they got the American flag hanging up there. Stop number 3. We're at stop number 4. We're at Robbie's. This is where they feed the tarpon fish. Stop number 4 going to Key West. And when we get to Key West, we're gonna be going here to the southernmost point. Oh, look at this seashell up here in the tree. Look at that seashell. That is crazy. Tarpon, that's what we're doing. Tarpon feeding. Let's go in here. I guess that's how it goes. Okay, so we just want to go and see somebody feed the fish. How much is that?
It's $2 going in for admission. She's good all day.
Okay. Y'all got military discount?
Yeah, your admission's free. So she's going to be $250 for whoever's not military.
We're both military.
Perfect. You guys have a beautiful time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, this is where everybody put the dollar bills. They sign their names. Oh, snap. I ain't about to mess with them. Yeah, back up. Oh! 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 We are at stop number 4, Robbie's, and these birds are killing me. Okay, let's, oh, we're at stop number 5. Stopping here for lunch at Keys Fishery. We just ate there and the food was thumbs up. It was awesome. I had the shrimp basket. T-Man had the mahi-mahi fingers. He didn't know it was dolphin, but he said it was good. We met a Navy couple sitting down. They was telling us different things to go see when we get down to Key West, but this was definitely very good. When you order your food, they ask you, what's your favorite cartoon character? So I'm thinking, okay, why do they want to know that? I said the Pink Panther. T-Man says Ed and Eddie. And then I say, well, why do y'all want to know who our favorite cartoon character is? He said, because that's how we're going to call that character, let you know your food is ready. They said, Pink Panther, your food is up. So then I just went and got the food. I just thought that was so cute. We're about to go out here by the water for a few minutes and then head on down to Key West. Stop number 5, Keys Fisheries. So now we're still here at Keys Fishery where we just ate lunch, and we're just walking out here to the dock just to see the water, but it's kind of brown here. Right here it look like a lot of grass in the water. Almost look like marsh. But then you can see where it separates. I'm probably gonna buy that little island right there. See if I can get a little house over there. We're gonna make it on down to the Keys. I think we got about an hour left to make it down to Key West. I hope you're following me. This is stop number, it's really stop number 7, because number 6 was going across the 7-mile bridge and I didn't get a chance to record it, but there was a 7 miles going across that bridge and it was really nice. Some pretty scenery, a couple of islands out there. They did have a tree out there growing out of the bridge, which was called Fred the Tree. So this is number 7. We are at Little Duck Key. And you can see another little island over here. And there's land way back there. I don't know if that's land or if that's a boat. I can't tell. But we're almost close to the end of the Florida Keys. So I think we got about 40 minutes to go. We are stop number 8. We are at Bahia Honda State Park. And I think this is Long Hegger Beach. We came through the gate. You know I'm cheap. I said, do y'all take military discounts? If you're service connected, you could get into all the Florida parks for free. So I went and got my Florida pass for free. We just came out here. We're like 30 miles from Key West, but look at this. It's beautiful out here. And then I got my federal one, so if you're military, you need to get this. Get into all the federal national parks for free. Stop number 8. All right, I'm here at the southernmost point. Waiting to get to lunch. Not yet, but I got my friends here. We in the bottom of the United States. Southernmost point. We just left the southernmost point, and Cuba was 90 miles that way, and it's probably take about 3 hours. Okay, so we are here at the end of Highway 1, and we are at mile marker 0. Across the street is the beginning of Highway 1 North. This is the end of Highway 1. Right here, we are at the end of Highway 1, mile marker 0. Key West, Florida.